Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Tether from Revolut to Coinbase in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Tether, USDT, is a stablecoin that's great for moving funds without wild price swings. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching platforms, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have active accounts on both Revolut and Coinbase. If you don't, download the apps, sign up, and verify your identities. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and head to your crypto section. Locate your Tether, USDT, balance to confirm how much you have available for transfer. Step 2. Tap on the transfer or withdraw option for USDT. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address, so keep that handy. Step 3. Switch over to the Coinbase app or website. Go to your wallet, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Revolut, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to check any transaction fees involved. Step 5. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely get a confirmation notification, so keep an eye on your email or app alerts. Step 6. Sit tight while the transfer processes. In 2025, with faster blockchain networks, this could take just minutes, but it might vary based on network congestion, typically 10 to 60 minutes. One quick tip: make sure you're using the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, as specified by Coinbase to ensure compatibility and success. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Tether. Once it shows up in your Coinbase wallet, you're all set to trade or hold. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.